Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Here is my cat's tail. Go away! Alright, another AliExpress craft supply haul video. Today we got 4 packages. Let's start with this one. We've got a 1, 2, 3 stamps. First one is this one. This is one big piece for background, and then this is also one big piece, and these ones are separate. Well, I was thinking for like camping or something like that, celebration camping, but for me I get the camping vibe. Especially it would be really good for fall. That's when I like to go camping, in the fall. It's not too hot and the summer bugs are gone. Okay, let's see, what could this be? It is, ooh, what is it? Alice in Wonderland. Oh, is that the cards? Yes, these are drawings. So it looks like there's no duplicates, it's just one of each. Or maybe is that a duplicate? Looks very familiar. No, it's just the same outfit. Very good colors. Looks like a different designer. Different style. The eyes are different. So they probably just bought the images and then printed out them on cards. Nice. I mean, I think they are beautiful. They're very, very good quality. Very thick and very vivid. Very nice colors. My cat is literally just right in front of me. Right there. Right here. Hi. Just chilling. We got napkins. And this is really ugly. Yeah, I'm not liking it. Oh wow. A big, beautiful butterfly. Very nice design. Very good colors. Everything is really sharp. So many tiny little details if you just stop and see the backgrounds. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful. And then this one. Also very nice. Not as nice as the butterfly one. You can see it's a little bit blurry. But it is good. It is good. A decoupage. And then the last package. It's too early for me to exercise and open these packages. Alright, we got stamps. We got these koi fishes. Pretty big, about that big. Very nice. Good details. And I think it's gonna come out really good too. And oh, what's it called? You're my bestie. Ooh, I forgot the name for these. Someone let me know. Thank you. And ooh, I think I have this in a washi. Maybe. This is for vintage elements. It will go into a background piece. And then we got camping. See? Camping. Camping. This is not my only camping stamp set, but this is the only camping sentiment that I feel like it belongs with each other. Does that make sense? Okay. Animals. Through thick and thin, count me in. And then I got a cutting die, not for this. We got koala bears and very good sentiments. These are card materials, so these ones are for card making. Birdies and other forest things, and I have corresponding dies with it. Gotta make sure to secure these together. Fishies, very good fishes, and I really like the sentiment too. It's a different kind of font from what I usually get. See, this is usually the font I receive, but this is the one I want. I really like the coral in this and the size of it. This one's also very nice. Yeah, I'm pretty sure like I'm gonna try to use all my stamps at least once. Oh wait, there's a die for this one. At least once. And whatever I don't need anymore, I guess I can put in a giveaway. Or if you guys have any idea what I should do with stamps I no longer need, please let me know. It's a very beautiful big background piece. For this one, I'm thinking of doing it with very light colors, like pastel kind of very light colors, so it would just go on the background and you can just barely see it. So not this dark, not with black, no. But I think with little light yellow it would look fantastic. And then I have these party cats. What's a die with it? Happy Mother's Day, Happy Father's Day from the cat. From the cats. Thank you for feeding me. That's adorable. Very cute. And guess what? I have no idea how this happened, but from my last haul, well, one of the last hauls, I received this with a die. And I even mentioned like, oh, there's only one die because this will go under it. So this is a duplicate. You know what happens to duplicates. Alright, that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what was your favorite. And there is a giveaway going on right now. So make sure you go check that out.